Right then, back at the beach. It's a very low tide, spring tides, so it's out to a basically a minus. So it's I think it's something like 0.30 is the tide for this morning. I hope to get into that bay. I'll definitely be in that bay, and I'm back out with the Legend. I do have the LG30, so let's see how we get on. The usual thing, see at the first hole whether it's rubbish or whether it's good. It is a little bit choppy out there. Hopefully I won't get soaking wet, but the tide is really out. This is the lowest tide I've been down onto this beach for, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we might actually get something decent. So see you at the first hole. Enjoy. Alright, I've got a 40, 41, but mainly 40. Apparently it's not very deep. I don't normally get out this far, so I'm hoping to pick up some goodies. Apparently it's still down there. Oh. Yeah, can. So, first hole, a can. Never mind. It's at 26. Let's see. Very loud in the ears. That's out. It's out. Well, it's a ring, but it's a ring pull. Never mind. Such is life. Getting louder, and the numbers are rising. It's now 46. Still there. Right, it's out. Now it's out, it's a 30. That it? What was that? Ah, fishing lure. It's a fishing lure. There's that. Did you see that? Is that gold? Or am I just imagining it? I think I'm just imagining it, don't you? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's definitely gold. The gold bottle cap. Oh, dearie me, heart stopper. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah. It's out. And that is, I haven't got a clue. What is that? Is it a weight of something? Some sort? Look. Don't like the staining that's coming off of it. Yeah, it's got a hole through it, I think. It's definitely got a hole there. Definitely a hole there. Stained my fingers though. No hole there though. So maybe something screwed in there. Well, it's different. Not the best signal in the world. Gone. Oh, there it is. It's a 42, 43. I know what it should be. But it is the beach, so it's probably not. As in out at sea. I'm out a lot further than I normally go. Yeah. Nice and loud, 42. Is it the fishing weight? Let's see. No. I don't see anything in there anymore. Oh, there it is. Yes, it's a fishing weight. There we go. One fishing weight. Alright, I've just moved into the next cove along. Got 29.30. The reason why I've come into this one is it's a much smaller cove. Because the sea's gone out quite so far, it gives me more room to play in. As in a smaller space, so I can do it a lot easier. What is that? Just a disc, aluminium disc, wherever it just went. Aluminium disc with a pattern on it. I don't know if you can see that pattern, but it's an aluminium disc with a pattern. There you go. Right, compared to the bay that I've just been in, let's see if we can zoom you in. Oh look, there you go. That's a lot smaller area, the tide will come in quicker there. The tide is now at its lowest, and I've never, in all the time of coming down here, seen the beach like that. So I've never seen that part of the sand. I've only seen probably a quarter of it, maybe a third at the most, but I've never seen that much. So let's see how we do. Oh, there it is. A battery of some sort. Power leads coming out. So possibly a battery. Probably from a vape. Oh, we've got 25, 26 again. I'm not putting the sound on for the moment. I'm trying to watch the tide. I don't want to get drowned today. That's out. I would say that's probably a wrinkle. Yeah, it's a wrinkle. Alright, another 42, 43. Sounds much better. Fighting the tide now. Get some grunts. And it's a fishing weight. It's out. Before it sinks back in. One fishing weight. We are at the beach after all. Another 42, 43. Not a bad signal. Could be another fishing weight though. And I think it is, because I think I just saw some line go down. I might be wrong. That's out. Oh, there it is. It flew out. Another fishing weight. Very jumpy now. Very jumpy. Oh, it's out. Very loud. The 44 in the scoop. Should we go fishing weight? Yeah, why not? Another fishing weight. 39. I'm absolutely knackered. 39 doesn't deviate. Let's see what we've got. I'm just going over into another bay. So. Oh, that's a car. Surely that wasn't it. There's a car there. I'll take the car anyway. Is that Lamborghini? should be a 36, 34, mainly a 34. Was a 36 earlier and I've come down the hill. So let's see what it is. Bit of aluminium. Just a bit of aluminium. Right, it's a 29 and occasionally goes up to a 30. That's what it is. I don't think it's very deep anyway. It's probably a bit of aluminium. Oh well. It's just a ring pull. 36 to 38, but predominantly 38. A bit of aluminium. Yeah, just an aluminium stud of some sort. There you go. Right then, tide's still on its way in. Didn't do so good as what I thought I might have done, especially with the weather that we've had just lately. We had some terrible weather, so I thought it might have churned up a little bit more than what it would have done. Plus it was the lowest of the tides as well. So I've walked away with a small amount of rubbish, as in rubbish, some aluminium and a handful of fishing weights. So if you got this far, thank you very much appreciated, and see you on the next one.